Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL wildcards. The MySQL wildcards are characters that allow us to search complex data from the table very easily and quickly. It works with string by substituting one or more characters and produce the result after matching the string into the table. In normal comparison, we use toString where each character of both strings should be matched exactly before giving the output. While in wildcards, they provide flexibility to use a single character or group of characters in a string that will be acceptable for another string. MySQL uses wildcards in conjunction with the like or not like comparison operators. The like operator works with the where clause to find the result for a specified pattern in a column. Here in MySQL wildcards, we use percent symbol, underscore symbol, and hyphen symbol. In percent symbol, this symbol indicates 0 or more characters. Underscore symbol, this symbol is used to match the exactly one character. We directly see how it works with the database. First, we have to see, first we will see percent symbol. Here you can see syntax of percent symbol. Select star from table name, here column name like, and here you have to specify the condition. That means if here x is any, if we want to search any string or any other name, something like which is depend on user, here you can mention any alphabet, and here you can see percent matches another number of characters or alphabets. Yeah, we will go into database. Open your MySQL command line client. You can use any database, or you can select from which database you can select any one of the table. Here I have used student table. Here I show you how to perform query. Select star from, here I perform operation on student 11 table. You can use any database, or you can use any table, it's depend on you. Here see, select star from table name. Here I use student 11. Here clause is used to provide the condition. Here I perform operation on the student name column. Stud underscore name by using like operator. Like, here I mention the alphabet A. Then give percent sign. Here you can see in student table I have already inserted 5 records. In that table, in on table student, I perform the query. Select star from student 11. Here student name like a percent. Percent takes number of characters. That means a student name starting from a, and after the a character it contains any other characters. In this table you can see there are total 3 records. These 3 records, in that 3 records student name starting by a, that's why this query select these three records and we got this output. as well as we can perform like this. Here you can see a student name which can start by character A, and percent means it can contain any other characters and it ends with M alphabet. That's why it returns only one single record, because in this table just only a single record which contains student name starting by A and ends with M. Also we can perform the query like we just give the last alphabet. Here I provide Y. We got one output, or we can say we got one record, because in student table there is only one record, or in that table the student name only Rinky is available which contain or which ends with Y character. In this you can see in this three query I have used like operator. You can also perform not like. There are other way, not like. In student table there are already 5 records, and in 5 records here we mention the query select star from student 11 here student name not like percent %y. That means it returns the character, it returns the student name which does not contain the last student name or last character which ends with the y. Only except this student name it returns all other student name. That's why he returns these 4 records. Now we will move to the second point, which is nothing but the underscore symbol. We have already seen the syntax of the underscore symbol. Select star from table name, here column name, like in single inverted comma you can mention any character, then underscore. Underscore give the only underscore contains only single character or only single value. Here you can see how I perform the query on underscore symbol. We have already known underscore symbol only works or only match the single character. Select star from student 11 here. Here I provide condition on marks like just give the condition in single inverted comma 70 then 7 underscore. Here you can see it show first time error because I forget to give the space. Here you can see select star from student 11 here marks like in single inverted comma 7 underscore. Underscore symbol it match only single character. Here I specified condition on marks column. In this table you can see this is our marks column. In that column you can see there are total I think 5 records I have already inserted, but in that record uh, this query only just match the first value is the 7, and that here you can see 70 75. Here it just match the only single character. That's why he returns the 70 and 75. Now I perform the condition on other column. Here I perform the condition on student name. Stud underscore name. Here you can see we got only single record because here underscore only match the single character. In that table, in student name column, it check every record, and in that record compiler gets only single record because here you can see I have already give after I have already give the other character, and only there is a only one missing character. It compares the student name and then give the output. Now we will move to the last symbol, which is the hyphen. Hyphen is used to return the result when we need to filter a record from the table in a certain range. It is an extended version of wildcard character that use the regular expression underscore like function. Here I will directly show how it works with database. Select star from table name. Here regular expression underscore like. In bracket we have to just specify the condition. For that we have to use only single column. You can use any column. Here I use student name, stud underscore name, comma, in square bracket. Here you can see we got the output by using regular expression like. Here we specified the condition on student name column and it matched the character A to D. That's why he returns these four records. If we change the condition, you can use here any character. Here I use characters from A to D. That's why he returns student name Adam, Asif, Andrew and Donald. Here you can use also like if we doesn't want like this record, that time it accept these four records and return other records by using not regular expression underscore like. Here you can see we have already seen there are in that table there are already five records. Here you can see first match this condition, that time he returns these four records, and here we specified the condition not like this, that means there only single records is remaining. That's why compiler returns this only single record. Thank you guys.